Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-park your Lexus RX 350. The advanced park system is a remarkable feature designed to make parking effortless. To begin, ensure your vehicle is in drive and moving at a very low speed, typically under 10 miles per hour, as you approach a parking space. Simply press the Advanced Park button, usually located on your center console, to activate the system. This intelligent feature is ready to assist with both parallel and perpendicular parking. For parallel parking, drive slowly past the open space, allowing the vehicle's sensors to detect it. The multimedia display will then show available parking spots. Select your desired one on the touchscreen. Once confirmed, press Start. Now the magic happens. You can remove your hands from the steering wheel and your foot from the pedals. The system will take full control of steering, acceleration, braking, and even gear changes, guiding your vehicle smoothly into the spot. When perpendicular parking, position your Lexus RX 350 directly in front of the space you wish to use. Activate the Advanced Park system by pressing its dedicated button. The display will show detected spaces. Simply select your preferred spot on the screen and press Start. The vehicle will then automatically maneuver itself into the parking space. Remember to continuously monitor the display and your surroundings, ensuring a safe and precise parking experience. While the Advanced Park system is highly capable, always remain vigilant and be prepared to take control. You can cancel the parking process at any time by simply pressing the brake pedal. This system also offers a convenient Park Out Assist feature, helping you exit tight parallel parking spots with ease. Utilizing Advanced Park can significantly reduce the stress of parking, making every maneuver more confident and precise, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.